Hey guys, so I decided to stretch my natural hair and I came up with this idea of doing African threading hairstyle, which is this. So today I'm going to show you easy way you can try it on yourself. For this tutorial you can use a bobby wool or Brazilian wool, but I'm using a bobby wool for this. So I'm going to wrap out the quantity that I'm going to use. So once you're done wrapping, cut it out, and now I'm going to start the threading method. So guys, the first thing you should do is to moisturize your hair, which I've done off camera. Now I'm going to section my hair, and I'm doing this a center pattern. I want to do a style that will fit my skull, so I'm going to just section my hair from the center down. Now that I'm done with the center part, I'm going to continue bit by bit, section bit by bit, then thread. So keep watching and see what I'm going to be doing all through this video. So yeah guys, I'm done, and what I'm going to do now is to start packing it. This is just a means I want to use and stretch my hair, but I'll be carrying it for some time, so I want to pack it. The packing, what you're going to do is start grabbing the hair one after the other, either 2 or 3 or 4, depending how you want to grab it. Then use another thread like 4 pieces and start threading it together. So as I'm threading it and going back, I'm also grabbing some and adding it to the one that I've thread and start threading it together. I'm going to do this till I get to the back. So when you are threading it together, start adding and thread. When you add, you thread. If it's too big, then you separate it and tie it, then join it together and also thread it together. So guys, this is a simple way to make African threading yourself in order to stretch your natural hair or a simple style to rock. Thank you for staying. Bye.